This is a PC flipper build. So I offered the guy $500 and I saw the parts and they were actually really amazing. So you've got a 6-core, 32 gigabytes, a really powerful power supply, and overall really good storage. So what I did is I actually wanted to put this in a beautiful case and get some ARGB lights going on. I went for a white theme so it would stand out, and I got a cute little Funk Pop Buzz Lightyear guy on there too. I also upgraded the graphics card to a GTX Super 2060 just so I could get some better performance. I managed to grab that for $200, so I'm pretty happy with that. Overall, I think the build is amazing and I'm really excited to list that on the marketplace.